You have to take massive action, you have to be consistent, and you have to have the discipline. Kasi, pangalawang pinakamasarap, yung mga ngarap ka ulit. But what if you can award yourself, you can reward yourself every hour? Pwede yun eh. Pray ka ng konti, hinga ka ng konti, kain ka ng konti. It can be the prize for you. After this, structured ka na. Okay? It's the time to take action. Sisimplihan ko lang to guys. Sisimplihan lang natin. When you take action, especially early stage, the action has to be massive. Sorry, it has to be massive. Kasi nag-reset nga eh. Reset tayo eh. Every quarter is a reset. So it has to be like massive ulit. Kasi mahirap, from January, nagda-die down yung actions mo. So you have to reset. Okay, start na ulit. For most people kasi, nag-start lang next year. Tayo every quarter. Kung kaya mo every month, better. But it's like, okay, I will start over. You have to take massive action, you have to be consistent, and you have to have the discipline. Okay. There's a gray area. Alright? If you know yourself, kailangan mong magpahinga. Pahinga ka. But here's the idea, guys. Discipline means that if you can, and you know that you can, ilaban mo. Because sometimes, kaya ka nagkakasakit, not because pagod yung katawan mo. Sometimes, kaya ka nagkakasakit, it's resistance from the mind and your heart. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes. Discipline means, I love myself so much, I'm gonna work hard on myself. Pwede kang magpahinga, don't get me wrong. You don't have to be as intense as we are. Pero, what if kaya mong i-stretch yung sarili mo? That's still self-love. That's still discipline. Because at the end of the day, pag na-achieve mo yung goals mo, again, it's worth it. You have to have the discipline to take the action. And for me, it's worth it. Kasi, pangalawang pinakamasarap, yung mga ngarap ka ulit, knowing na yung una, nakuha mo. So it's like, pag hindi mo makuha gusto mo, you will lower your standards. If you get what you want, the next level is, oh shit, maybe this is possible. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can achieve this. Because you now have an evidence. Because again, you will see this now. Because you are here. And when you achieve this, you will see this now. Because you are here. And the thing is, every downfall, you will meet new people na makakasama mo pag-akyat. And maybe katabi mo yan. Learning. Yes. Guys, when we take action, it means we are showing up every day. And guys, if you are here, it means that you are showing up. So palakpakan mo sarili mo, you know?